Do mom, but make it fashion. Frappes make it happen. Raising businesses and babies in the sweet life of fashion. Yep. So you know it gets crazy. Yep. But I don't let it faze me. Nope. So keep up or be squaler. And welcome to the life of Arieal Taylor. Who? Arieal Taylor. Yep. Arieal Taylor. That's me.
Oh yeah. Don't watch. Don't watch. Hi guys.
Clearly, they watch entirely too much YouTube.
Today we about to make an experience with pop and ice cream. Here they are. Come check them out.
Do you love homeschooling?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about homeschooling?
We get to do stuff. We get to do science.
Science. In today's yummy science experiment, we're going to be making root beer floats. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, click that notification bell and turn on all for more homeschooling ideas. Can you say root beer floats really fast?
Root beer floats?
That's not fast enough.
Root beer floats?
Faster.
I can't.
Root beer floats.
Wait, what?
Root beer floats.
Okay. Root beer floats?
Okay, now say root beer floats really slow.
We needed a spoon, soda, ice cream, and some straws. I want to drink. Mom, do we put all of it in?
No, we're gonna go at least to about
The ice
the
cream?
middle of the cup. Get your floats really fast.
Root floats.
Say root beer floats really slow. Okay, ready?
Go.
Go. Oh.
Is that the middle?
Yeah, keep going. All right.
Do mine.
If you had 1 million root beer floats, would you share them?
No.
No. You gonna drink all of that by yourself?
No.
The ice cream gonna melt. It's gonna be a mess.
Well, tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Yay! Let's test them out and drink them. My favorite part. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Do you know root beer floats are a science experiment?
Yeah.
I mean, tasting science experiment.
Yeah, okay.
It was good.
This is good. I think a 10 out of 20.
A 10 out of 20?
I can go 20 out of 20.
I'll give this a 30 out of 20.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
My turn.